Yeah, I mostly work with wood.
Uh-huh.
Everything's designed and made here, so it's all very much in-house, ecological process.
Okay, can you show me around a bit how you work here?
Yeah, basically I start here, everything's designed and sort of created there. I take orders over the internet, and that's kind of my office space.
So you design here at your
my
desk?
Yes. Yeah, this is supposed to be my sort of clean, dust-free area, but
okay.
It isn't always like that. And then through here is where I construct everything. So obviously all my materials are stored on the wall, and then yeah, it's kind of a process which revolves around the room. So everything gets measured up and cut up here. So it's all sort of, I chop it up and then I would move around, and things would get sanded on the sander, and then there'd be a small bit of marking up perhaps, and I'd move on to the drill, which is sort of modular. So I have a jig which I use to, basically I mostly make Wellington boot racks, which involves a lot of drilling straight holes. So this is my jig, and I use this a lot to drill the holes in, and then if I need to I can move this jig away and use it as a normal pillar drill, and then it would come across the router. So the router obviously is quite modular as well. I can detach it from the table and use it for various other things too if I need to. But
and what's that there in the corner there?
That's my air filter. So it gets very dusty in here because it's quite a small space. So that filters all the dust from the air, and then also I have this big extractor here which is mainly extracting chips, sort of larger material, and obviously the ducting around the room as well, which takes that away.
So yeah, where does that go?
That plugs directly into this here, which is a thicknesser. So you put large boards or large lengths of wood through it, and it effectively planes the surface of the wood, but it creates a lot of mess. So the extractor sucks that straight out, but also it can be detached and used to suck off sort of big piles of sawdust or chips off tables and things. But that's the key to being in quite a small space like this. You have to be quite organised about keeping tidy and keeping on top of it, because it can get really dusty and you sort of get a sore chest from it all, and it's quite bad. So
you wear protection?
I wear a dust mask as well. Yeah.
Well, you have this one here.
I have to be sort of quite keen to hoover up the floor all the time, which isn't always my favourite job, but yeah, that's the key.